Hi, friends. Are you ready to have some fun today? Let's learn how to count together. We'll count and singing.
One little apple, two little cats, three little balloons, four funny hats, five little stars that shine so bright. Let's count more with joy and light. Six tiny turtles, seven buzzing bees, eight jumping frogs, nine big trees, 10 colorful kites flying in the sky. Wave your hands and say hi, hi. 11 red flowers, 12 yellow ducks, 13 trucks that go vroom, vroom trucks, 14 crayons in a row, 15 bubbles that gently blow, 16 ladybugs, 17 shoes, 18 fish in rainbow hues, 19 monkeys swinging high, 20 clouds that float on by, 21 blocks stacked so tall, 22 balls bouncing in the hall, 23 chicks say cheep, 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 24 lambs ready for sleep, 25 hugs for you and me. Counting is so fun, yippee! We counted 1 to 25 with apples, cats, and bees in a hive. Sing it again, come play along. Counting with friends is always strong. 16 ladybugs, 17 shoes, 18 fish in rainbow hues, 19 monkeys swinging high, 20 clouds that float on by. We counted 1 to 25 with apples, cats, and bees in a hive. Sing it again, come play along. Counting with friends is always strong. 21 blocks stacked so tall, 22 balls bouncing in the hall, 23 chicks say cheep, 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 24 lambs ready for sleep, 25 hugs for you and me. Counting is so fun, yippee! We counted 1 to 25 with apples, cats, and bees in a hive. Sing it again, come play along. Counting with friends is always strong.
Great job counting today, everyone. You did amazing. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to keep practicing your numbers at home. Bye-bye, friends.